Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm excited to tell you about a new product that I've just received. Ordered it about 5 weeks ago. Came from South Africa. Had to order it through a local distributor. It is a Kaoko Throttle Stabilizer, or throttle control for my AK550. I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm going to install it now. Come join me, and then I'm going to test it on the freeway. It was an expensive item. $160 plus postage. It better work. So that's all it is. $160. Get an Allen key. Let's carry on. So the first thing I've got to do, I've got to remove this Allen key bolt. This is a 6mm Allen key. Well, so to conclude this little video, I was really happy with the product, and $160 did seem like a lot, but it works and I'm happy with it, and it'll be great for my long trips. Thanks for watching.